Hi everyone, since the very beginning of Salesmsg, we focused on building very deep integrations with the world's best CRMs, from HubSpot to Salesforce and ActiveCampaign. And now we're taking that a step further, so we've partnered with Nango to bring more integrations faster, including 4 new CRMs. You can find all new integrations directly in the App Marketplace section in Salesmsg. You can now connect Salesmsg with Close, Insightly, Outreach, and Attio. And this is just the start. We'll be rolling out many more CRMs and apps in the coming weeks. Once connected, you can immediately start working with your CRM contacts inside Salesmsg. Just search for your contacts, and if they exist in your connected CRM, they'll appear right in your search results, ready for you to text or call. On the automation side, we've added new workflow actions for these new integrations. For example, when you receive an inbound text or call, you can automatically create a contact in your CRM, keeping your systems in sync without any extra manual work. We're just getting started and we would love to hear your feedback, so head over to feedback.salesmsg.com, request and upvote the integrations you want to see, and we will get working on them. Thanks for watching.